Welcome to the in front of me TCL Top channel, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So to do that, we should open the notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or to remove some of them and just to change their positions, just click here to this edit icon, and here we have this down section. We can add the icons by this way. Just hold and drag the icon to this up section, and we can see that's so simple to do. If you want to remove some icons from here, just by the same way, hold it and drag it. Hold it and drag it to this down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons here, just by the same way, just hold the icon and move it by this way. And to save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.